Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs. I got the major updates happening today on the 61 bubble top. I've got folks. Welcome back to Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs. I got the major updates happening today on the 61 bubble top. I've got the chassis off the lift and outside, fixing to bring the body over from the paint booth onto the lift. We're gonna get it off the rotisserie and we're gonna put the body back on the chassis. Let me get the chassis out of the way, the body over here, and let's get these two pieces together and make some room for some more projects. All right, I've got it centered under the lift, and now comes the fun part, shoring up the body on the lift, at the same time taking it off the rotisserie. This is where patience and luck and the advantages of being a one-man show. All I gotta look out for is myself. All right, so my sleepless night of worrying about doing this morning, so far came out good. But you can see in one of the other videos where I media blasted the bottom. You can also see in another video where I did the tinted bed liner spray under the body. It's about as thick as 2 credit cards. And it's tinted the same color as the body. It reflects light a little different because it does have a texture to it. And the firewall's flat, and the rest of the car is gloss. Still got to buff it. Everything but the roof. You saw me do that yesterday in a video. But anyway, it's off the rotisserie. And for those that are contemplating using a rotisserie, it's one of the best things you can do when restoring a car. They take it all the way down to every nut and bolt. But guys, be super careful with these. This one here is probably about 25 years old. But anyway, we'll do a complete video of this next time I set one up and show you guys how to do it, or how I do it. You'll see me use it. But anyway, let me get this chassis up underneath this car. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's pretty stressful when you're dealing with the fresh paint of a car painted on a rotisserie, and you know you can't do it again like you just did it with it on the body. So you don't want to screw up, don't want to scratch nothing. So it's pretty stressful. But anyway, this is the moment I've been waiting for quite some time now. We're fixing to put this body on this chassis. But first, I need to go around, I need to clean the chassis up because there's parts of it that are dirty from it sitting on the lift. And I won't be able to clean it this good again with the body sitting on it. So let's clean this thing up and make it worth getting put together. you'll notice. All right, guys, here we go. Looking good in the front. All right, you can see the contrasting flat firewall against the flat copper paint on the motor. Of course, these aren't the valve covers that'll be used. That may not even be the intake, but they're on there for protection. Guys, let me know what you think about the color of the motor and the color of the car.
Hopefully there's plenty of room to put a
This color of the motor will be accented on the wheels just a little bit, and on the stripe that goes down the side of the car. You'll see the holes that are on the car. That gets the stainless steel trim. Well, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today. Thanks for watching Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs, all the love and support that you're giving the channel, all the subscribing and the likes. Keep those comments coming, good or bad. You know I'm answering all of them. Let me know what you think about the colors and the progress on the car. So as always, thanks for watching. Get out in the garage and go build something.